holding its position at number 3 in the fight against cholesterol is the incredible herb turmeric. This vibrant spice has a secret weapon called curcumin that works wonders for our heart health. Curcumin's superpower lies in boosting lipid metabolism in the liver. By doing so, it helps our body process fats more efficiently. This leads to a reduction in cholesterol levels. Even more remarkable, curcumin also takes on the role of a gut microbiota modulator by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. These friendly microbes increase the production of cholesterol-destroying enzymes, ensuring that cholesterol is kept in check. And guess what? You don't need an elaborate plan to reap its benefits. A daily dose of just 500 milligrams to 2 grams of turmeric is all it takes to make a significant impact on cholesterol levels.